I am delighted to welcome you all to the grand opening of the Cranium, the Thomas Crane's new makerspace. Thank you all for coming out in the weather to visit with us. 2 years ago, an opportunity arose for the library to apply for a Library Services and Technology Act grant to build a makerspace. After careful consideration, we decided to apply and were granted $30,000 to contribute towards building a space. LSTA grants are provided by generous funding through the Institute of Museum and Library Services and administered by the Mass Board of Library Commissioners. The MBLC certifies public libraries in the state for the state aid program, and we were able to use some of that money to pay for the physical construction facilitated by our excellent Public Buildings Department under the guidance of Commissioner Paul Hines. Just as we began considering how to pay for the rest of the space, Senator John Keenan let us know that he had successfully funded an earmark for $10,000 that would go to our wonderful Friends of the Library for programming. Around this time, a longtime volunteer at the Tremendous Friends bookstore, Rita McKenna, passed away. Ms. McKenna was passionate about education in all its forms. She received a master's from Boston Teachers College, a master's in education, a certification from UMass Boston, and another from Bridgewater State. She shared this tremendous education and her passionate enthusiasm with the people of Quincy during her career teaching, including almost 45 years at the Squantum School. When she passed, she asked friends and family to please make donations to the library instead of sending flowers. We were able to use those donations to buy all of the iPads and the sewing machines in the makerspace. Even in death, Ms. McKenna was generous with the people of Quincy. When you go in, you'll see there are little plaques on all the sewing machines and the iPads. So all told, we spent $75,000 to build out the space. The space is going to provide an opportunity for Quincy residents of all ages to learn new skills with high technology machinery, polish up old skills, and create things of beauty and functionality. We are so proud to present it to you. Before we cut the ribbon, I'd like to thank the mayor for his never-ending support, the IMLS, the MBLC, Senator Keenan, the Friends of the Library, Paul Hines and his staff, the family and friends of Rita McKenna, and of course our excellent staff, including our head of reference Teresa, our teen librarian Lua, our tech librarian Sydney, and our technology director Taylor, and the many more who helped in more ways than I can count. Instead of a traditional ribbon today, you may have noticed, we're using filament from the 3D printer. Just seemed a little more appropriate. At this time, I'd like to invite Ms. McKenna's children up to cut the ribbon.